Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Not every image needs to look like a photograph. Sometimes the most striking design choice is to strip an image down to pure graphic form. Add a posterize adjustment layer and set the levels value to 4. Watch your photograph collapse into flat, bold blocks of color, like a screen-printed concert poster from the 1970s. Lower the levels further to 3, and the image becomes almost illustrative. Stack a solid color fill layer above it, clipped with Alt-Click, to replace the dark tones with any brand color. Apply this to a subject with a clean background for maximum impact. Minimalism is not simplicity. It is intentional restraint.